it just me? Or are there more of those things now?
I fear the dimensional cataclysm is getting worse.
Well, the sooner we find Pierre, the sooner we can get to fixing all of this. Somehow.
We will find a way. Like always.
Oh, what a tune! In unrelated news, our dome must be closed today for a private event. The execution of Pierre Lafaire. All trespassers shall be shot and or stabbed on sight. And remember Article 4 of the Pirate Code. Never blow up your own bloomin' ship.
Of course, our only lead to finding Captain Quantum is about to be executed.
Perhaps someone else can tell us where he is.
Of course, our only lead to finding Captain Quantum is about to be executed.
Perhaps someone else can tell us where he is.
Feeling more precise than spray and pray? Get the headhunter for stellar shooting. Ooh, I hate to say it, sugar, but you're too broke for this one.
Ah, 'tis a fine night for an execution.
I've been waiting for this, folks.
Hi! Could we please speak with Captain Quantum? Can't get past these shields! Looks like they were spying on something with that telescope. Pierre's still alive! I think we can take a shortcut through those caves to get to him.
Hurry, Ratchet.
Think we can crash our execution? Think again! It'll overheat soon!
We should be able to reach Pierre through those caves.
Welcome, sugar. Feel free to browse.
What was that?
Keep moving, please.
Hey, buddy. When all this is over, can you help me find the Lombaxes?
Of course, Ratchet. You changed your mind?
Maybe. I don't know. Before today, I thought the Dimensionator could only bring me trouble. But without it, we would have never met Rift. Kit. I think that means something.
Have you heard these rumors about the Emperor? Some manner of dimensional weaponry now.
Even if they be correct, it changes nothing. He has never been able to defeat us.
Right, she. Captain Quantum always steers us true.
Please let that be all the critters.
Listen here, pup. If ye help release me, I shall give ye this nice succulent bone. 'Tis beautiful, eh? All right. I see 'tis not an entire.
So what are executions like? 'Tis my first one today.
Usually the condemned be pitiful creatures, resigned to their...
Trespassers ahoy! All ha-ha! We can have it all.
Prepare! You will not take any time, Lombax! If we be quick, we can still make the execution!
We always need more snacks for Bubbles.
Oh! What's happening?
The dimensional cataclysm is getting worse.
Great! Rift-goons! Just what we needed!
We are not done yet. Another rift is opening up.
Hold fast, mateys! He cannot take us all!
These shields are tough!
I sink it for good! Lucky shot!
Okay, was that all the pirates on this planet? Cause it sure felt like it.
Oh, we are never that lucky.
There! Pierre, straight ahead!
Not so fast! Meddling
And I'll never go swimming again. Why does everything want to kill me all the time? That hurt.
That was very nicely handled, Ratchet.
Whew. Thanks, buddy. I missed having you along for stuff like this. Versa targets all get sucked in from the same place? Or did they come from different, ow, my brain's already hurting. Nice! And I think that covers everything here. Nice.
We must keep our eyes open for nanotech.
That ship had to go boom on Molonov. One could even say it destroyed itself.
Oh, bubbles!
If anyone wanted to save moi, now would be.
Intruders! You can't stop the swift arm of justice, you...
Leave that little robot and her! Protégé? What are you two doing here?
I'm not hurt. We're rescuing you?
Not that I'm complaining, but... Why?
We need your help to speak to Captain Quantum. He's in grave...
Okay, whatever! Get me away from this piece of Merci! Merci! Now swing me onto the dock and get me away from this beast! Normally I would not have enemies, but you did save my life, and I am Pierre Lefebvre, gentleman extraordinaire. If you want an audience with Captain Quantum, you must complete the Pirate Trials.
What are those?
A tradition as old as Grog, and how all pirates earn their colors. Head to Skull Mountain. If you complete the trials there, you will find the captain.
You break it, you buy it! I do hate to see you go, sugar.
That is not the way to Skull Mountain, but I did see the pirates transporting something shiny to the bar earlier.
Pierre is quite fishy. I am not sure I trust him.
Me neither. But he's our best shot at finding Captain Quantum. We just need to get through these trials. Hold on. Is Grog made out of...
I think this Speedle might appreciate getting out of here.
Please don't crash! Please don't crash! There aren't any brakes, are there? So you've ridden one of these Speedles before, right, Clank?
If one can call hanging on for dear life riding.
Guess it remembers us!
And is following us.
Something's not right about all this.
Welcome to the Pirate Trials! Now who will be swashbuckling with us today?
What?
Ahoy there! What? Your trial awaits!
So, are you having fun today? Good luck to you.
The pirate trials are a theme park?
Cool.
Think your pikes are ready for a shift-day shuffling shanty?
Oh no.
Aye, that be the spirit! Listen to our shanty carefully and shoot the pirates in order to sing it back.
Me hearties, sing shanties.
Me hearties, sing shanties.
I heart indeed! Now the little matey!
Pardon?
I hope your memory be sharp!
Girls, in
Respectable positions of power!
girls in respectable positions of power.
'Tis music to my ears. Now, everyone! Aye, that be the spirit! Linger by the shore!
Who linger by the shore?
Bravo! Ye have passed the first trial with flying colors! Now press on to the second.
I thought that went rather well.
Yeah. Guess we should do that more often.
So, you think yourself a pirate, eh? Think again! For now ye face your greatest trial yet. The terror of Boku Boku Bay. The destroyer of Moon 34B. The inspiration behind every midnight tale, every shape in the shadows, and all that be unholy in our fair galaxy. The one, the only, Slewjax!
It's just a Grunthor.
Was a Grunthor.
Oh yeah, I forgot to mention our second trial be temporarily out of order. You can just keep going. Or not. Whatever.
Think you can help us get that gold bolt glitch?